Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one.
Hey beauties, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. My name is Deanna Monet, and today I do have another wig review for you all. Today's unit comes from Alipearl Hair, so thank you so much for sponsoring today's video. Let's go ahead and open up this cute package. Loving the pink. I mean, you know, goes with my look. Let's open it up and see what we have. So it came with a couple goodies inside. We have a wig cap, an edge brush, some eyelashes, a printed scarf, and an Alipearl satin scarf. So that was really nice. And of course, here is the wig. So this unit is 22 inches long. It does have a 180% density, and it is a 100% human hair unit. That density is definitely 180 because I can already tell she thick. So here is our unit, a beautiful kinky straight texture. The hair is very soft, very soft, and I'm like getting no tangles as I'm just running my hands through. This is a V-part unit. They kind of have their top sewn together there, so we'll go ahead and cut that open. Just gonna snip that little piece that's connecting them. And now we can see it has two clips on each side, one clip in the back, two combs on each side, one comb down bottom, and adjustable straps. So you have your standard V-part cap construction. In case you're not too familiar with V-parts, you're able to leave just a very little bit of your hair out, or in some cases no leave out at all, depending on how you're able to finesse it. But because of the way the cap is constructed with like a little bit of lace along these edges here, you are able to leave like a very small amount of your hair out, and it just looks so natural. But y'all can see she is thick. This is a lot of hair. Very soft, feels nice, it's flowing, it's moving. So I'm gonna go ahead and try her on. So I pretty much already have my hair prepped for this style. I have like a very low ponytail bun situation in the back, and then this is gonna be my leave out hair. I told y'all you will only need a very small amount, and that is exactly what I meant. Okay, look how much leave out I have here. It's like this is gonna be for the one side, and this is going to be for the other. Boop! I'm going to start with this side over here. And I'm just going to go ahead and open up those clips. So I'm going to take this comb and I'm going to slide it right where I want it to be, right next to my parting space, and clip it down. Same thing for the second comb. And we have our first side done. And put that clip here and press. You can use the combs in the back and on the side if you want to. But my unit is feeling pretty secure just with those clips. And as you can see, we are all covered on both sides. So it's already on, it's looking flat, it's looking seamless and blended. I'm just gonna take my wide tooth comb and kind of just comb through to make sure we all smooth. It feels really good, like so soft, so soft. Y'all, that is it. Look how like blended we are. So easy, so natural looking. I love a good kinky straight texture because it just looks so realistic. I just look like I had my hair fleshed. I look like I just had a fresh blowout and I got some inches on me. Let me stand up so y'all can see. So as I mentioned, the unit is 22 inches long, and this is where it's falling on me. Right about here, like almost to my waist, and I am 5'4". Y'all, I'm pretty much done. Like, I didn't even need any heating tools or anything. It blended so easily with my natural hair because my hair was already straight. The only thing I'm going to do is go in with my Ebin edge control. It is tinted in a color which is natural black. Can y'all see that? Hold up. There we go. So this is basically like a tinted wax stick, and it's a natural black color. I'm just going to go in over some of my little grays in the back, because you know my gray hair be trying to play me, and I don't like that. No ma'am. I really love this thing. Like, it just works wonders. So that install process was really easy, really simple. I'm going to get a little spruced up, and I'll be back to talk all about the unit and my final thoughts.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place.
Okay, beauties, so I am back and ready to talk all about this unit. Starting off with big head friendly, absolutely. This unit is all size friendly because she comes with those clips that allow you to place her where you need to place her. So pretty much it's like a one size fit most with these V-part units. The texture is a kinky straight, and you know, over on this channel, or maybe you don't know, but over on this channel we love a kinky straight because it just blends so nicely with my natural hair. It just looks so easy and believable. The texture is great if you have natural hair and you want something to blend without having to fully press your whole head. Then it's perfect because you just need that itty bitty bit, you know, leave those two pieces out and you're good to go. I would also say that this unit is beginner friendly, as most V parts are, because you don't have to deal with the lace and melting it down and hoping that it looks really natural. You're using your own hair, you're using your own parting space, so it's automatically going to look natural as long as you do what you need to do. You just have to leave a very little bit of hair out, which is another thing I really like, and so I think a beginner wig bae could get this look down easy. It has a very nice density, 180%. She is thick. She is full. If I put all the hair to the front, like, it's definitely a thick unit and you can see that. If that's not your thing, if you like it to look a little more natural, then you can always go down to a lower density percentage, like maybe a 150, and that would be something that you like a little bit more. You can also take your hot comb, which mine is on, and you can just kind of glide it down a little bit, press it down. I did this off camera to help blend my leave out just a little more with the wig, and I was noticing that I was also just helping to give the wig like more of a sleek look, and I really liked it. So you can always take your little hot comb too and do what you need to do. Me, I'm all for the big hair. I love the 180%. It's very thick, full, and fluffy. And another thing, this hair is very, very soft. It is so soft and tangle free. Excellent quality. I probably only got maybe 1 or 2 strands of shedding the whole time I was like styling it and combing it. So an excellent quality of hair. All in all, I think that this is a great unit to invest in, especially if you love the kinky straight texture. I have no cons about this at all. You know, this is a V-part movement we are in right now. They're very easy to work with. They are beginner friendly. So if you like this texture, you like big hair, then I would go for it. I absolutely love this one. Let me know what your thoughts are on this unit in the comment section below. Once again, I would like to give a special thank you to Alipearl Hair. Thank you so much for sending over this unit to me for review. If you are interested in purchasing this unit, then please check out my description box. I will have the exact link for the unit I have on, as well as the specs, the inches, the density, all of that good stuff will be in the description box below. So make sure you check that out. If you enjoyed this video, which I hope you did if you made it this far, then please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you have not already. We are on the road to 10K. So please, if you're watching this and you have not subscribed, go ahead and hit that button. Help your girl out. I have some more hair and fashion content coming your way. I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I will chat with all of you later.
You can't be replaced.